Hey everybody, BigRigSteve here with BigRigTravels.com. Beautiful day out here. In fact, it's a beautiful night, or going to be a beautiful night for a fire. And a nice fire pit. Hey, check this out. The folks over at Warmbond sent us this Bond stove. And a grill accessory pack. So let's open this up and check it out. First off, I think it's mighty cool that they provide handles like this for you to carry your box. But what does this say right here? To make precious and warm bonds. And somebody drew nice little trees right here. How cool is that? So let's see what we got up in here. Looks like we have the storage container case. Warmbond decal. Instruction book. Okay, so I know you can't see me, but I'm not the star of the show. This is fire starter ring. Okay. This looks to be the cover. Guess that's a base plate or something. A mobile pack, which would be the wheels. Ooh, fire poker. Something nice and heavy in there. More goodies. More goodies. And another big box. I guess we'll figure this out as we go along. And this, if I can get my fingers around it, is a main unit. Check this out. So, I guess we'll start at instruction number 1. Let's see what's in these boxes. So we got all the legs, or the spinny wheels put on. This is part of the mobile pack, which is separate. If you don't order these wheels, you will get the standard legs. Or if you ordered the legs and you want these after the fact, just take the legs off and put these on. You get 2 plain Jane rolly ones and 2 omnidirectional ones. Alright, so now that we got the wheels on, let's flip this upside down, or right side up. And instructions say, put the ash pan on the rack inside the fire pit. So this is the ash pan. And it fits like so. It does come with the handles so that you can pick it up. Puppy dog wants to play. Okay, so Got the ash pan now. Combustible crate. Look how they individually wrap every one of these. So now, does that just fit on there? Looks like it. Just sits there. Then you put the starter rings in the center. Show you what it looks like inside. So now that we got this all set up, I can hear myself. You get a pack of 6 fire starter rings. And there they go. You just put this in the bottom and put your firewood on top. Light this. This will stay burning for 12 minutes, which is enough to get your wood on fire. And I believe you could order extras on their website. Now, you put this on top, and then, check this out. Cast iron grilling plate. Cast iron, buddy. How's that? Now, let's look at this. Another option you could do is a grill pack. The grill pack is exactly what you think. So you can put your hamburgers on there and end up grilling. Now we got to put this together, the little vent and the handle. But look what else you get. Right-handed fire glove. And special selection of grilling tools. Check this out. Then marshmallow sticks. 4 of those. So we'll have a little fire here in just a second. All right, so we got the grate on here, and remember we showed you the grill accessories. Here we put the top on, we put the handle on, we put the vent on. This fits snugly up top, and scroll this over here to you. Right here, removable thermometer, cooking thermometer. Look at that. 0 to 950 degrees. And that just fits right in there. When you don't need it, just close that. So, between the tools, fire poker, fire starter, you also get this nice cover. I was never any good with bungee stuff, but tell you what, the wind ain't gonna fly this off. There. Now it fits. Check that out. And you got brakes on your wheels. Nice and snug. Now something we talked about. Remember, we have the caster wheels on here. We had a box left over, and it's these. If you didn't order caster wheels, these are these are the legs that go on the bottom. So heavy duty legs. I guess we'll store these for another use. And if you didn't get the wheels, check this out. Heavy duty canvas. You wrap this underneath the bottom, and then you can carry your stove anywhere you like. How about that? So now that you watched us put this together, I say we try it out and have a barbecue. So first thing we want to do is take the lid off. Fire starter rings. You get 6 of them. You can buy extras. I like this. I think this is cute. Hi, I'm a fire ring. Put that there in the center. You get 6 of these in a box. Put some wood in there, bark helping out. Let me get the fire ring going, I guess. And these fire rings will burn for 12 minutes. If the fire ring will start. There we go. Did it just go out? No, it's still going. Alright, so now while that fire ring is going, 12 minutes, that'll be enough time to get this wood going. We'll put this back on top. Put this on. Let it get going, and we'll come back and we'll throw some hamburgers on this puppy with our new grilling assortment of tools from Warmbond. Even though this isn't a Warmbond product, I'll tell you what, whenever I grill, I love filling this tube with some mesquite pellets. So we'll lift this off, just toss that in there, and then we can get nice mesquite smoked grills. Alright, so now that we got this puppy going, I just want to show you this right now. Temperature inside says 750 degrees. Using our little thermometer, and look at this. You don't have to worry about you or some kid touching and burning themselves. 700 degrees in there. Got no problem putting my hand on there, not even warm. So I say it's time to throw some hamburgers on. It won't take long. Yeah. Flame grilled. Whoa. Okay. Alrighty. Looks like these hamburgers are ready. They definitely shrunk. Take them off the grill now. Oh, it smells good. And remember, now you can enjoy your hamburgers while you're sitting next to your fire pit. And you just leave it just like this. If you want to add more wood, don't forget your handy tool. Lift it up, add more wood. So this is courtesy of Warmbond. I want to appreciate and say thanks to them. Fantastic product. You watch me put it together. Every bit of it is heavy duty construction. It's built to last. This will last you a long time. Portable, take it camping with you on your next camping trip, in your backyard, down by the river, whatever the case may be. Warmbond is a product that I would stand behind. Top quality all the way. All right, BigRigSteve out. Thanks.